Hello and welcome to Ganesh Institute channel. Today we are going to discuss about total differentiation. So we have discussed so far how we can partially differentiate a particular expression. But what if we have to find out total differentiation from partial differentiation? How we can do so? Then total differentiation comes into place. How can we find it? Let's see. Here is an example given to you where u is this, x and y are given to you, and you have to find out total differentiation of u with respect to t. So the formula is, if you want to find out total differentiation, then partially differentiate the variable with respect to one variable. Take total differentiation of that variable with respect to the variable with which you want to differentiate it, plus again do it, you have done it with respect to x, now do it with respect to y. Okay, so let's begin. We need to apply this formula and we have to find out all these values and start putting down the values into this formula. Let's begin. So du by dx means partial differentiation of u with respect to x. Okay, so what it would be sine theta. Differentiation of sine x is cos x. Because you are doing it with respect to, partially doing it with respect to x, so differentiation of this is 1 by y, right? Because differentiation of x is 1 and we are taking y as constant, so 1 by y. Okay, this is du by dx, partial differentiation of u with respect to x. Now find out total differentiation of x with respect to t. This is exponential function, so you know that for exponential function the formula is same. E raised to power x is e raised to power x. Here you are doing it with respect to t, so e raised to power t. Okay. Then find out partial differentiation of u with respect to y. So again, sine differentiation of sine is cos. But because you are now doing with respect to y, keeping x constant, so what you need to do? You have to consider this as x by y, but now x is constant. For a moment, don't see x. Consider 1 by y. So you can write it as 1 y raised to power minus 1. What's the formula? N x raised to power n minus 1. That means minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1, that means minus 1 y raised to power minus 2, right? So minus 1 y square, right? Now because x was constant, so simply apply x here. Okay, so this is minus x by y square. Okay, now you have to find out total differentiation of y with respect to t. Y is t square, so it would be simply 2 and subtract 1 from the power 1, right? 2t. Now apply all these values into the formula. So total differentiation of u with respect to t would be this 1 by y cos x by y, then dx by dt is e raised to power t, plus du by dy is minus x by y square cos x by y into dy by dt, which is 2t. Okay, this is your answer. To simplify it more, what you can do, just simply put the values of x and y in terms of t, then everything will be in terms of t. So this is how you can calculate the total differentiation. This is just a simple example, but you can do lots of questions from your preferred books, and thereafter if you find any difficulty, do comment in the comment box. I'll try to solve it out for you. And if you like this video, if it is helpful for you, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Till my next video, take care of yourself. Bye bye.